No trader gets it right every time, but you can improve your chances by knowing which pitfalls to avoid. Here are 5 of the most common trading mistakes. Number 1, not preparing properly. Many beginners rush in with misguided confidence and are punished for it by the markets. Don't be one of them. Take the time to learn about financial markets and trading strategies and consider practicing with a demo account before using real funds. Number 2, trading without a plan. Failing to stick to a trading plan or trading without one is a recipe for disaster. To avoid this problem, develop a personal trading plan and use this to decide when to enter and exit trades. It's a good idea to keep a trading log, a record of your trades and the reasoning behind them, as this can help you adjust your plan over time. Number 3, over-reliance on software. While technical analysis, advanced charting systems, and automated algorithms can all enhance your trading, blindly following a software program is unwise. Remember, these are just tools, not foolproof strategies. Make sure you understand how each system works so you can make informed decisions about whether or not to trade. Number 4, failing to cut losses. All traders, no matter how skilled, will inevitably enter some losing trades. And while you may convince yourself a market can't keep going against you, one of the most dangerous misconceptions is thinking you can always turn running losses into profit. So it's critical to decide when you will close losing trades and to remain disciplined in the heat of the moment. Use stop losses to ensure you exit according to plan. Number 5, overexposure. Beginner traders often fall into the trap of overtrading. For example, opening a host of positions in the wake of an early success or spreading capital too thinly in an attempt to trade a wide variety of assets. But with thousands of markets on offer, you can't take advantage of every opportunity. So sit back, consider your trading strategy, and only open a new position if it fits with your plan. To learn more about trading, including common mistakes, join IG Academy today. It's completely free and gives you access to short, step-by-step courses and webinars on a wide range of trading topics.